So first of all, if you think about our applications that we use today and the journey that we've been on, right, over the past several decades, we went from mainframes all the way to a mobile journey now where everything is on a mobile device and I'm interacting with these applications. But I'm still interacting with them in a two-dimensional, sometimes maybe three-dimensional user interface. But I can't jump around, I can't have a free-form conversation with my application today. What conversational AI brings to the forefront is I can actually converse with the application. And it's not just, okay, one aspect to it is I have a natural language conversation. But it's not just a natural language conversation, it's also a contextual conversation. My first interaction with the application is going to lead to my second interaction, which is probably going to lead to the third or the fourth, and that conversation is going to branch in some direction based on what information was brought back to me by the application. So conversational AI is, how do I take a static application or dynamic application, fine. How do I make it a natural conversation with the user? How do I then allow the user to contextually drive the conversation forward? And it's very user-centric conversation that's being driven here. Not that I've laid out a UI structure that the user is going to have to follow and navigate through to get to where he needs to get to. Okay.
It's
so
not
we
like
are putting the
press
user.
One, press two, press three.
Exactly.
Or,
we are putting the user in the forefront.
Got it.
He's the one in the driving seat. I'm the one having the conversation, not the application having a conversation with me.
Got it. Got
Okay.
it. Okay. And that's the reason like enterprises are so excited about it.
I believe this is their opportunity to actually put the user, front and center. So at the end of the day, for every enterprise, customer satisfaction is key. So this actually hits upon their primary goal, which is how do I improve the customer satisfaction? How do I get the customer to tell me what their issue is, and I can, based on what they say, I'll understand their problem and I'll drive the conversation accordingly, which is what happens when you pick up the phone and call somebody, right? They listen to you first and then they'll drive the conversation accordingly. Now take that same experience and make it available inside a digital conversational agent. So that's what they're trying to achieve. Of course, in that same process, they can keep still their costs down on what it takes to actually support their customers, right? Versus the good old days when you had thousands and thousands of agents sitting around waiting for a phone call from a customer.
Absolutely.